Yo, good morning everybody. This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. I am, what's today? Friday. And yeah, I totally missed that challenge yesterday. Just a real busy day yesterday between all the stuff I got going on. So I'm sorry. Didn't put out the 30-day content. That's hard. That was a heck of a challenge. But I'm going to put together all the videos that I've taken so far in the last 2 days and then combine those into one. Probably post those today. And then I'll continue starting tomorrow. Anyways, dropped the daughter off already at school. Had the game last night. My boys won. I think it was 7-4 or 7. I think it was 7-4. Close game. It was a good game. My boys team is they're all 8 and 9 year olds, and they've been together since a lot of them have been together since they were like 3 and 4. So they're pretty good for their age. They're not like competitive or anything. I do rec soccer. Super excited and proud for them. They're a good team, and yeah, I'm gonna be dropping off some cans today. I brought one empty one home last night, so I can drop this one off because it's right by the school where I dropped my daughter off. It's literally like 4 miles away. One very narrow driveway, but I don't know, that's a big pile to go into a 15-yard. Should fit, but we will see. We will give her a try. So it's gonna be interesting. Oh, looks like there's a big clearing back there, so I can roll the trailer off, so we should be good. But talk about narrow. It's not easy pulling it in. But with time, we all get better. Oh, chickens running loose over there, free range chickens. Cool little chicken coop. This is just ridiculous. I gave him a free tree trim on the way down, for sure. Place the dumpster right here. I think they wanted me to come through the field and park it on the grass, but there's no way I'm doing all that. That was all closed off. If they wanted me to have done that, they should have kept the gate open like they did this front gate. So leaving it here in the driveway. Hopefully they're not too upset about it. Off we go to the next one. I mean, this is one tight driveway. I mean, literally scratched up my truck. And that tree right there is broken on the left side. That's a fresh break from my trailer. Alright, so there was a 20-yard back there. I took it to Taco Cabana already. I dropped it off at Taco Cabana. I've got this 15-yard I've got rented. I've got that other 15-yard rented. I got to take those, deliver those two. And then I've got a 20-yard back there that I just booked as well. So I've already done 2 today. I'm going to do at least 3 more. If I get any more phone calls, I'm going to do them too. So let's get her done. And here we are yet again behind another of our vehicles having on wheels. We are slam busy today and tomorrow. Today's Friday still. Slam busy Friday and Saturday. And then we got Monday Night Football. Cowboys are playing at home. So let's see here if I can get a better. That is our new Sprinter limousine. Oh, let me get a better.